Thinking about using Eldorado.gg but unsure if it's a gold mine or a potential pitfall? Let's dive in and see if it's a scam or a legit marketplace. First, Eldorado.gg positions itself as a platform connecting buyers and sellers for various in-game assets. This business model itself isn't inherently a scam, but it does open the door to potential risks from individual users. Check out reviews. Platforms like Trustpilot often paint a mixed picture. Look for trends. Are there recurring complaints about delayed payouts, fake accounts, or poor customer service? These are major red flags. Due diligence is key. When browsing sellers, scrutinize their profiles. Look for high ratings, a significant number of completed transactions, and how long they've been active on the platform. A newer profile with few transactions warrants extra caution. Now, let's talk about security. Eldorado.gg uses a secure trade system, where they act as a middleman. The beer's payment is held until both parties confirm the trade. This is a good sign, but remember, it's not foolproof. Test the waters with customer support before making any major purchases. Reach out to Eldorado.gg support team with a question. How responsive and helpful are they? A lack of support is a warning sign. In conclusion, Eldorado.gg isn't necessarily a straight-up scam, but it definitely requires careful navigation. Check reviews, verify sellers, use the secure trade feature, and test their customer support. Approach with caution and you can minimize your risk.